Hi, I'm Tomoko, a new city hairstylist. I want to introduce some cute and trendy Japanese hairstyling technique in this video. I found a super easy method from popular Japanese YouTuber Ms.Ayana, and I'm demonstrating her technique myself. First, get a silicone rubber band. This one works very well, but if you don't have one, using a regular rubber band is fine. Before starting, let me use the C-style spray to make it easier for the braids. This spray gives my hair an anti-freeze, beachy texture and volume, perfect for preparing your hair for styling. Also, you can use a curling iron to make waves if you want. I will show you this technique in another video. Part 1. Braids half-up. I am introducing 3 hairstyles in the 3 parts of video series. First, separate your hair behind the ears. If you want to have small hair pieces around your face, please separate them before braiding. Comb it back with your hands. Make braids in this section. Technique tip: start to braid in reverse in the back. It's a little challenging to do, but important because it makes the braid look cleaner. Temporarily clip it to the top. When you are done, before braiding, do the same for the other side. Separate the hair behind the ears and pull out small hair pieces around your face. Comb it back and braid toward the back. After braiding to the ends of the hair, remove the clip and put these braids together. There are now 2 braids. Bring the braids you made earlier to the back and put them at the center position. Pull out a small section from underneath and tie the braids together with it. Now you can see a silicone rubber band. This time, do not tie it too tightly. We will do a tuck-in technique. Separate the hair in half. Put the tail into the space and pull it down. Now, I will loosen the braids to make a trendy look. When you loosen it, be sure to use your fingertip. The other hand should be holding the tied up area in place. If you have an extra mirror, you can see the style in the back and control it better. Pick a few hair pieces on the top of your head like this if you want more volume. Braids and tuck-in can make an easy feminine hairstyle, and it looks good on any occasion, any texture of the hair, for any generation. This is a 3-part video series. Tune in next time for part 2, the twist half up. See you next time!